Hello and welcome to this video. Today we have published a model of the heat transfer and thermal structure analysis in Abaqus. This is a full package about the heat transfer analysis. If you click on a title, you will have an introduction and then the type of the heat transfer. In this package, we consider all types of the heat transfer model like convection, conduction, and radiation in all the problems. Also, we use steady state transient couple temperature stress analysis and adiabatic model. Here you can see some figures of the model. For instance, this is the heat transfer in the steel structures, in the reinforced concrete structure, in the welding, in the car parts, steel beam, in the forming process, cold spray, friction steel welding, in the CFD model, and some other thing like the impact, which consider the heat transfer analysis also. You can see here the application of the heat transfer in Abaqus, and then you will have here the things here. This package will learn you all types of the heat transfer, and the package contains 16 separate models, and you can see the title of each uh, model or tutorial here. During this 16 model, you will learn all types of the heat transfer and thermal structure analysis in Abaqus for many of the material that you need, like the metals, like concrete, I don't know, in the CFD model, fluid, everything. And you can see here, these are the titles. The price, the price of this package is 72 euros. You can use Tether, Bitcoin, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, or any other way for the payment. So if you are interested in the heat transfer and thermal analysis package that we put it here for you, contact us to this email. Thank you for, for your attention.